Guys, I'm back at the house and the food at the restaurant was so good. I can't remember the name. I think it's like something casino. I'm gonna put it on the screen here because it's so good. If you're in the LA area, you need to go try it. It's in Culver City. Would recommend. Now I'm just going to get to my room. Needs to be tidied up. It's my Sunday reset, so we really need to get it together. I'm also like the tiniest bit tipsy from that mimosa. I like never drink, so one mimosa is it for me. I'm gonna get to the room. Actually, and while I'm sitting here, I wanted to open some PR packages. So I got this from Ralph Lauren. It's their new Ralph Lauren Romance perfume. Let's smell it. It smells really good. It smells really like mature, but it smells really good. I think I'm either gonna give it to my mom or my grandma because I feel like they would like this scent. Maybe my grandma. This smells like something she's worn before, but I can't put my finger on it exactly. And this is like more her vibe. Like, I feel like she had like a Dior perfume that smelled really similar to this one. So I'm gonna give this one to her. Next, I got this liquid exfoliant by Paula's Choice. I've been more into liquid exfoliants over physical grainy exfoliants because I heard that like really can tear up your skin barrier, and I'm trying to heal my skin barrier. So I've been trying to find some good ones. So I'm so happy that they sent me this so that I can try. It's the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant with salicylic acid. Unclogs and shrinks enlarged pores, smooths an even skin tone. Liquid absorbs quickly. So this is what it looks like. Try this tonight because I really need to do a good exfoliator, especially since I wore makeup today. Okay, next is this Valentino Donna Born in Roma perfume. And I'm actually wearing it right now. It's my new favorite scent. It's so good. I already took it out of the box, but if you guys are looking for a new sweet going out scent, I was wearing it in the day because I just like it that much that I would just wear it in the day or night. Oh, I love it. It's so like light and like flirty, and I don't really know how to describe scents, to be honest. So you can just go to your local store and smell it. But I 10 out of 10 would recommend. It just smells really, really good and really like sexy, and I love that. So that's what I wore today. So this is the Valentino Donna, and then this is the Valentino Umo. So this one's gonna be a little bit more of a intense fragrance. This one smells like it could be a cologne. Is this for men? Where's my phone? I need to look this up. So according to everybody online, this is a unisex perfume and smells a little too masculine for me, so I think I'm just gonna give it to my boyfriend. If you like, you know, more musky scents, you might like this one. So definitely check these out. But this one is so me. Then I got this other perfume sent to me, and this is by Mugler. This is Alien Extra Intense. Looks like this. It smells really, really good. This one I'm definitely gonna keep. I love. Then I got these YSL Candy Glaze, and if you know me, you know I'm obsessed with the YSL Candy Glaze lip gloss. Lip glaze. They're so buttery smooth, and the packaging is just so cute. So pretty. This is in the color Watermelon High. So it just looks like that. The other one I got is Nude, like that. Really, really pretty. Thank you so much, YSL, for these. I love the candy glaze. They're so nice to just kind of like swipe on really fast. They give you like a subtle plump. They're not plumping glosses, but they just give it that look because there's like a little bit of shimmer there. And anything that makes my lips look bigger, I'm all for. I also got a Giorgio Armani concealer, the Luminous Silk Concealer. This was so generous of them to gift me. I'm actually wearing it today. I love the way it looks. So they have the matte concealer, which I love, but I like the Luminous Silk more. I'm more of like a luminous type of girl. I don't really like a matte look. I like to look dewy and luminous most of the time. So love the Luminous Silk Concealer. And I got the shades 4 and 3.75. Then I also got this cute little bag from Valentino. And then inside are 2 Valentino lipsticks. So this is one and then this is one. This is Spike a Pose, which I'm pretty sure I already have this one, so I might gift this, but it's so pretty. This is a refill of 100R. So you can just like click them in and pop them out, and they're refillable, so you can keep this really nice case and then you just buy the refill. So cute. Just going over what lipsticks I already have because I want to gift some of these to my friends. Okay, I guess these are all different, but I think I'm still gonna gift them. All right guys, so I was gonna go change my laundry and then I saw I had a package and I wanna open it with you guys. I got some sweats off of Amazon. And I just needed some just like comfy gray straight leg sweat. They feel really, really soft, so I'll have to try them on here in a little bit, but they look pretty cute. And then the second thing I got is this book. I am obsessed with Mel Robbins. I listen to her podcast every single morning. I walk around the neighborhood on my lunch break and I'll pop in my AirPods and I'll just like listen to her podcast, and it's so motivational. But she just came out with this book that she wrote with her daughter, and everyone's talking about how life-changing it is, and I'm always down for a self-help book. I read Atomic Habits, and to this day, like, I incorporate stuff that I learned from that book. It has helped me, so I love a good self-help book. So I'm really, really excited to let you guys know what I think. And that's everything I got from Amazon. Let me do a little trial note for the sweats because they look a little small. I kind of wanted them to be baggy, but let's see how they look. So here are the sweats on. I think they're really cute. We love. Let's get to cleaning this up. Cleaned up a lot in the room, so it's starting to look a lot better. And I have this purse here. It looked cuter online. I bought it off Amazon, so I'm just gonna return it. So I'm gonna stick it in my bag to return on my way home from work tomorrow. So I have all of these gym bands and equipment for the gym for leg day specifically. So I'm gonna stick them in this backpack. I really only do leg day on Saturdays, and then I think I'm gonna try to incorporate another leg day in the middle of the week, like maybe a Wednesday or Thursday or something. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like this. It looks so much more organized, and I'm gonna shove it in my closet. I think I forgot to show you guys this PR package, but it's from Bubble. I actually really like their stuff. They sent over a cleanser, a tone and texture serum, a balancing mist, which I'm so excited about. I've been wanting like a balancing skincare mist, so this will be really good. And then the hydrating moisturizer. I'm gonna put these in my bathroom so that I can use them tonight. One thing I really like to do on Sundays is charge all of my electronics just because I hate when things are dead. So I started doing this a few months ago and it's the best thing ever. It's honestly changed my life. So I'm putting everything to charge. I have all my lights that I would need for this, my battery packs, my cameras, like everything is always charging unless I'm using it on Sunday night. It is honestly a lifesaver. Okay, please don't mind all my clothes hanging in the background. I like to hang dry my Lululemon and aloe stuff. I don't like to put it in the dryer. I got more tampons, so I wanted to refill the little container I have here. It's so cute. And then I have this candle from Diptyque. One of the doctors at my work is renovating her house and she had some extra stuff that she was just kind of giving away to the girls in the office. And she said she saw this candle and thought of me. And it's one of the Diptyque candles. I've been wanting one of these. In this really nice packaging. It's the Feu de Bois. It smells definitely like more smoky and like a more masculine scent, but it's such a nice candle. I don't know if I should just have it out just because it's so nice. I don't really like the smell of it. I'm probably not gonna light it, but I've been wanting one of these candles for so long. I just wish it was like a vanilla scent or like a floral or something. Not sure what to do with it. Well, this is a mess right now, but if I were to put it here, it doesn't really go. All my stuff is so like feminine, and then there's just that. I feel like this candle makes more sense there. Or I could put it behind my toilet. It's like too dark. I don't really like it. I don't know. Somebody give me some ideas for that. So tonight for dinner, I have chicken sausage and then I have this lettuce. So I think I'm gonna do like a chicken sausage Caesar. We'll see how it turns out. Hopefully it's good. And then on the side, I think I want to do some Japanese sweet potatoes. I'm actually just going to cook both now because it takes so long to make. Might as well just get it out of the way and then I could just heat it up one of the days that I really want to eat it. And I'm going to be using the air fryer tonight. My dinner looks so good. Let's try it. Alright guys, I just realized that I didn't prep something for lunch tomorrow, so I don't know what I'm gonna bring. Pretty sure this is mine. Sometimes my roommates and I get the same like brand and food items, so it's hard to tell like what's ours. This is mine. With some mayo. So I'm out of celery and red onion, so I can't give it a little bit of a crunch, but I'm going to put the tuna on 2 rice cakes and eat it as a lunch tomorrow. This and this for lunch tomorrow. Alright you guys, that is it for today's Sunday Reset. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.